Hello and welcome to myplasmacutting.com. This short video is intended to help you with the chain alignment if you've purchased either our Tumbler kit or the completely assembled Tumbler. You'll have to align the chain properly before begin using it for the first time. You'll have to align it again and tighten it after a short break-in period, and then you'll have to most likely tighten it, possibly align it after each use. So here we're going to just highlight a couple of views. In this vertical view, remember the tumbler is tilted just slightly backwards. It may be difficult to tell from the video, but the tumbler is tilted slightly backwards, and so this main gear is tilted slightly backwards. And what we're doing is just making sure that the chain is at the same angle on our big gear in the rear as it is on our smaller gear in the front here as we look at it in this plane. Now, if you see a twist, you may need to adjust the height of the drill, which is adjustable at this clamp. You may have to change the angle of the drill, which you can also change here. And by either tilting the drill towards us or away from us, that'll change the angle here a little bit. And that tilt is accomplished with this bracket in here. We can tilt the drill towards the bucket or away from the bucket. When it's set up properly, there's not too much space between our drill and the bucket there. There should just maybe be a ½ inch at the most. And the drill is actually tilted in towards the bucket a little bit. Then the other plane that we want to look at for the alignment is straight down from the top. And when we view it this way, again, we want to make sure the chain is not twisted or bent as it goes from one gear to the other. And we may have to make adjustments on the bottom by either moving the drill in or out or up or down, or tilting it inward or tilting it outward. And those adjustments are all done with either the drill mounting clamp, the drill bracket. By the way, that's adjustable both rearward and forward. And then our bottom a mounting bracket here, which allows us to angle the drill towards the bucket or away from the bucket. So again, we want to make sure when viewed from the side, the chain's aligned in this direction. When viewed from the top, we want to make sure that it's aligned. And if the gears do not line up, you'll see a noticeable twist. Or if while you're running the tumbler, the chain tends to be loud or jump the track, then it's probably just some alignment that needs to be done. In addition to all the adjustment points, you can also bend the brackets slightly as needed, depending what drill you're using. If any damage occurred during shipping, you can easily bend these brackets just by putting it in the vise and putting a little pressure on it one way or the other, if you need to bend anything to get it to line up. And then to test the alignment, what I do, I don't have anything in the tumbler. I'm just going to hold my finger right down here a little bit, put some pressure on it. And that's to simulate having some weight inside the tumbler. And generally when I run it empty, either on the top here or on the bottom, I want to put some pressure on it so it stays on the wheels there as I turn it. And this is a little tricky to do all at once. And again, if the chain's aligned properly, you'll see that it's lined up both in this plane, above the tumbler, also here from the side. And again, if it tends to jump the track, it probably means the chain either needs to be tightened or it may be a little bit out of alignment. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.